In this video, I will show you how to turn on extensions in Safari. To get started, locate and open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once inside the Settings menu, scroll all the way down to the very bottom until you see Apps. Tap on it to proceed. Now that you're in the Apps section, look for a search bar located at the bottom of the screen. Tap into this search bar and type in Safari. In just a moment, you'll see Safari appear among the search results. Go ahead and select it to continue. Once you're in the Safari settings, scroll down until you find an option labeled Extensions. This is where all available extensions for Safari will be listed. Before proceeding, it's important to note that only downloaded apps with Safari extensions will show up here. So ensure you've already installed any desired apps beforehand. Now, tap on Extensions, and you'll see a list of available options at the top. For example, let's activate an extension called ChatGPT Search. Simply tap on it to access its settings. You'll now see a toggle switch next to Allow Extension. To enable this extension, simply toggle it on. This action allows ChatGPT Search, or whichever extension you've chosen, to function seamlessly within your browsing experience. And there you have it. You've successfully turned on an extension in Safari. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.